In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your backyard with ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. We'll start by grounding your project in real site data, so the design ideas aren't just pretty, they're practical. Click the plus icon next to the chat box, choose Add Photos and Files, and upload a few smartphone shots of your yard along with any property survey maps or quick hand-drawn dimensions. Then set the climate context with a clear prompt. For example, that act as a principal landscape architect and master permaculture designer. Analyze these attached site images and boundary dimensions. I'm in your city/region and hardiness zone. Identify drainage bottlenecks, sun exposure, and soil optimization needs. Propose 3 functional themes for an immersive remodel. Do not generate images yet. This gives ChatGPT the environmental constraints it needs to make credible recommendations before you visualize anything. Next, move your planting schedule and materials plan into Canvas mode to organize details. Type /canvas along with your goal. Open a landscape design canvas based on our approved English storybook cottage garden theme. Draft a comprehensive plant schedule and materials log in a 5-column table for name, mature size, sunlight needs, function, and quantity. Your screen will split with the chat on the left and an editable document on the right, perfect for multi-page plans. Once your schedule is in Canvas, iterate in place, highlight any line or section, and click the Ask ChatGPT bubble to make targeted edits like replace standard concrete pavers in this patio section with layered, irregular natural flagstone interspersed with creeping thyme, emphasizing curved organic transitions. Use the bottom right utility sliders to compress long briefs into a contractor-ready checklist, or nudge tone toward creative and descriptive for richer sensory language. When you're ready to visualize, return to the chat panel and reference your Canvas data. Prompt: based on the materials and plant choices in our canvas, generate a photorealistic, ultra-wide 16.9 render of the completed backyard. Feature a curved natural stone path to a sunken fire pit, dense hydrangea borders, sculptural corten steel planters, and warm golden hour lighting with vintage lanterns over a weathered cedar deck. Output at native 4K. If the render is close but not perfect, open it full screen and click the In Painting brush. Mask only the area you want to change and direct the edit. For example, transform this empty gravel corner into a minimalist circular black water bowl feature, ringed by smooth, pale river stones. The engine will rebuild just that region. For quick style blueprints, try modern xeriscape with linear zones, gravel beds, agaves, and bright sun. An English cottage look with winding flagstone paths, layered borders, and soft morning mist. Or a Mediterranean courtyard with terracotta planters, olive trees, a central stone basin, and textured stucco, each rendered at native 4K for crisp detail. And that's it. By pairing real site data, canvas planning, precision edits, and high-fidelity renders, ChatGPT becomes your personal landscape design studio.